This is how far the pond is up. It's up really high. Old salt block's almost gone. Let's go over here. I think baby's in the shop, but Maddie, I don't know where she's at. She may be back in the yard. What you doing?
Just fixing my wig.
Oh, okay. Come along. Maddie? Let's walk through here, see what they're doing. Scary. Dad, is Maddie and baby out there? All right. Emma's in here with us. Come on, baby love. Come on. I found baby. She's right here watching for the lizard. She'll lay here all day. Huh? Okay. Well, that's the only one I ain't found yet.
Can I do something for Mom?
Sure.
Hey, Mom. This is for you. Dabbing, and you can't do nothing about it.
Been hollering and yelling for Maddie, and she's in the house. Alright, this is coming back towards the house. This is where we put the travel trailer for Charlie. And we're going to clean all that up so it'll look pretty and put a top over it. Maybe make a little sidewalk. Yeah, we was out here hollering and screaming for her, and she's in the house. That's about right. I probably need to play ball with them for a little while. I just don't want to. Baby's just now getting over a hurt foot.
Yeah, I think it should take like at least one more day because she doesn't need to be on it.
Yeah, we'll have to play later because baby's still got a hurt foot. Baby still has a hurt foot. Alright. Alright, I'm coming home from church and it's raining. Sydney went home with the kids Sunday, and she's going to stay there till Christmas and then come back with me. But I almost had this video done, and of course it lost some clips, so I'm going to try to finish it up with some of the lights that they have up here at town in Antlers, and then I'll post it and then maybe start another one. Trying to keep it up. I've been a little slack only because I've been working, and Christmas seems like I don't have as much free time as I used to, but I always tried to work it in, so I'll again try to do better. Alright, we're still a little bit of ways from where they've decorated, so I'll stop and restart. Okay, so it's not a whole lot, but I pulled over so I could get ready. There's where Kayla used to work. And right up here is where they decorated. It's the First Bank property. There it is. And they got a little bit of decorating on the building. Some right there by the drive-thru. Some kind of monument. And this is where they did the Christmas stuff at. They had some kind of little Christmas concert with the singing, and I think they had hot chocolate and cookies or something like that, but it's really pretty. They decorate there every year. And just a little bit alongside the road, and all the light poles is pretty much what they do every year. Pretty. Alright, the rest of the ride home. Just got left Antlers and about 4 miles to the house. But I want to try to finish this up. The plan is to go to Whitesboro on Monday, Christmas Eve. We'll probably do the immediate family maybe that night, and then get up Tuesday morning, which will be Christmas Day, and go over to Clint's and have it with our presents that we do our draw names. We'll probably do that Tuesday morning, and I think it's supposed to be early, so we'll see. It should be fun. Still like a little ways to the house, and when we get there, I'll turn it around so you can see the girls. The girls go to church with me. They sit in the car, so usually don't last long, but I'll turn it around so they can say hello. And they usually start barking because they know we're home. I probably could have had time to turn in front of this one, but I waited too late, so turn my blades off. There we go. Okay, girls, I want y'all to wait a minute before you get out, okay? I want you to be on the video so you can tell everybody hello. Okay, wait 1 minute. Wait 1 minute, look here. Let Mama turn it around. See if I can remember how to do it. Hey, don't notice me, I look terrible. There's Emma Lou. Hold on. Where's Maddie? Where's Maddie and Emma? Boy, it's just too dark in there, I guess. Wait, let's see if this light will work. Oh my goodness, somebody come outside. Bye. Hello. Yes. Get over here.